Do you want to install artificial playground in your indoor or outdoor space? It is a certified and reputed artificial turf and playground installation company, have more than 25 years of experience of offering excellent services. They are here to create a long-lasting, beautiful playground surface where your child will enjoy year-round. Their used products always offer low-maintenance play surfaces to provide a safe playground to your child. They have a team of leading and professional installers, those who provide exceptional customer service. In order to avail a no-obligation consultation, call them now at 330-351-1244.